Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your go-to spot for Jeep mods, upgrades, and off-road gear reviews. Today, we're diving into the best shocks for Jeep TJ. Whether you're daily driving, trail riding, or rock crawling, we've got the top picks to keep your Wrangler riding smooth and stable. Stick around as we break down the performance, pros, and cons of each shock option so you can choose the perfect setup for your TJ. Number 5. Rough Country N3 Rear Shocks. For Jeep TJ owners with stock height or a small lift, 0.3 inches, the Rough Country N3 rear shocks are a top-rated choice. Built with the same 10-stage variable valving as other N3 models, these shocks provide a great blend of comfort and control, perfect for everyday driving and light off-road adventures. Jeep enthusiasts often point out how these shocks improve rear stability on highways while keeping the ride smooth on uneven terrain. The nitrogen-charged design offers quick response to bumps, reducing bounce and sway when carrying passengers or gear. Off-road drivers also appreciate the durable hydraulic fluid that resists overheating, ensuring the shocks perform consistently on long trips. Installation is typically straightforward, and most users note that the shocks bolt directly into factory mounts without issue. With their affordable price point and proven durability, the N3 rear shocks make an excellent upgrade if you're searching for the best shocks for Jeep TJ in the 0 to 3 inch lift category. Number 4. Rough Country N3 Rear Shock. For Jeep TJ owners running a larger lift between 3.5 to 6 inches, the Rough Country N3 rear shock is built to handle the extra height and off-road punishment. This shock is designed with nitrogen-charged valving and 36 kN tensile strength, giving your lifted TJ maximum durability when tackling rugged terrain. Many users highlight the N3's ability to provide firm rear-end control, which helps reduce swaying and bouncing when carrying gear or towing light loads. Off-roaders especially appreciate the shock's high-pressure nitrogen charging, which improves responsiveness and ensures consistent damping over rocks, mud, and steep climbs. Its hydraulic fluid with high-temperature resistance prevents overheating and shock fade, which is crucial for extended off-road adventures. The installation process is also straightforward, and most Jeep owners report that it fits snugly without extra modifications. If your Wrangler TJ sits higher and you want dependable rear stability, this Rough Country option is a strong pick among the best shocks for Jeep TJ. Number 3. Rough Country N3 Front Shocks. If you're running a mild lift between 1 to 3 inches on your Jeep TJ, the Rough Country N3 front shock absorbers are a fantastic option. These shocks are designed for daily drivers who also enjoy weekend off-roading, offering a smooth balance between comfort and rugged performance. The N3 series is known for its 10-stage variable valving, which adjusts damping for different conditions, whether it's potholes on city streets or bumps on dirt trails. Off-roaders often praise how these shocks reduce nosedive during braking and provide better front-end stability, especially when tackling uneven surfaces. Another highlight is the hydraulic fluid with high-temperature resistance, which prevents shock fade during long rides. Combined with nitrogen charging, these shocks offer consistent performance even under heavy use. Plus, their affordable price makes them a go-to choice for Jeep owners upgrading on a budget. Overall, the Rough Country N3 front shocks deliver excellent value, durability, and stability, making them a solid contender for the best shocks for Jeep TJ with small lifts. Number 2. Rancho RS5000X Gas Shocks. For Jeep TJ owners running a 3.5-inch lift, the Rancho RS5000X Gas Shock set is one of the most reliable upgrades available. Designed specifically to handle the extra height, these shocks provide enhanced articulation for serious off-road trails while keeping ride quality balanced on pavement. Many Jeep enthusiasts note how these shocks improve handling during steep climbs and rocky descents, making them ideal for drivers who take their rigs on challenging terrains. The progressive rebound valving system adapts to road conditions, delivering smoother transitions between rough trails and highway cruising. Another standout feature is Rancho's durable twin-tube construction, which resists harsh elements like mud, water, and debris. Users also highlight that the shocks reduce Jeep bounce, commonly felt after lifting, giving more control over the vehicle. If you've pushed your TJ to a higher lift, and want shocks that deliver both control and comfort, this set is a great choice among the best shocks for Jeep TJ. Number 1. Rancho RS5000X Gas Shocks. The Rancho RS5000X Gas Shocks set is a trusted favorite among Jeep TJ owners, running a 2 to 3 inch lift kit. Built with progressive rebound valving, these shocks adapt smoothly whether you're crawling rocks or cruising the highway. Many users mention how the Rancho set improves ride stability and reduces body roll, making it a solid upgrade over stock shocks. Off-roaders love the tough twin-tube design that holds up to dirt, gravel, and trail abuse, while still offering controlled handling on pavement. Rancho also engineered this set with gas-pressurized construction for reduced fade, which means you'll get consistent damping even on long, demanding rides. If you want dependable shocks that balance comfort and ruggedness, this kit is a worthy first pick in our list of the best shocks for Jeep TJ. And that wraps up our list of the best shocks for Jeep TJ. From Rancho's reliable RS5000X series to Rough Country's versatile N3 shocks, each option has something unique to offer for lifted and stock height Wranglers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest off-road gear reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which shocks you're running on your TJ. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wrenching, and keep the Adventure Jeep spirit alive.